Hello and welcome. This is the last video on SEO Tester Online. In this one, we will be going over a tool called Copy Metrics. This tool is used for either analyzing either articles of a chunk of text or for keywords and other stats. And you can use this to analyze your, for example, older articles or I don't know, for your competitions, etc., etc., to see what are the main keywords of the article, what are the scores and everything. So let's go and use this so you can go over what it can do. You have the options right from the start. You can either fetch the text from URL, or you can copy and paste the text in here. So you can basically copy the whole article and paste it here as a normal text. This is the option. We will go through with it. And before that, you again have the option to select the country you want to target. I leave it with the United States, but select the country that's suitable for your business. Okay, I copied text from one of the articles from WordPress site, so I'll just paste it here. And the next thing I need is to tap on Analyze. Here you can see the heat map with all the main keywords highlighted, so you can see where they are located in the context of the article. And here you have some metrics for that article, so you can see like the main topic, or what it is about, like based on the amount of keywords in the text. You can see the difficulty. You can see how much it is oriented to purchase, so how much it's for selling something. You can see some views, potential views monthly based on the topics and the amount of traffic. You can also see the reading time, the average cost per click for those keywords, and the total words for the article. Okay, next one on this small menu is you have topic. So again, it's based on the main keywords from this article. So you can see that the main topic is probably MailChimp. You can also see the cost per click, the search volume, and the percentage, like how densely it's used in the actual article. And you can also see how hard it is to rank on this specific keyword. You have here two options. You can either open it in Google search, which gives you the option to view it in the search. Like, you can see the search results for MailChimp, and you have the option to analyze the keyword with Keyword Explorer, which is this tool we used in previous videos. Okay, and the last thing you can do here is that you can tap on this little plus button. That'll show you all the suggestions for this keyword. So you can use these more specific keywords in your articles as well. Yeah, then you can go over them and get inspired. The next thing is keywords. So there you have a full list of keywords used throughout the article. Again, with the same metrics, so density, frequency, and the amount of words it is. So for example, this is like a bigger keyword, so again 2 words. And you have the option to open it in Google search to see search results for this specific keyword, or you can again look at it in the Keyword Explorer. That's it for this tool. It's really useful if you want to see what are the main keywords for an article from your competition, or if you want to check how your old article is doing. Like for example, if you have some old article you never went through and checked that it's optimized for search engines, you can copy and paste it here and go over and maybe make some changes and maybe improve it. Okay, if you want to analyze new text, simply tap here and that's it. Okay, that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough of SEO Tester Online, and I hope you will get that it'll improve your results and your page ranking, and you will get a lot of organic traffic for your website and blog posts. For more information, visit PitchGround Facebook group, and good luck. See you.